before I begin, this is all the materials that I prepared for this bed making return demonstration.
Good day, sir. I'm Marjan Navar, student nurse for today. May I know your name, please? Can I check your system po? Thank you. Sir, now I will perform the bed making. Papalitan ko po ng mga adherents na marumi to prevent spreading infections and pag-spread ng microorganisms. May ano, how are you feeling po? May masakit po ba sa inyo ngayon? Wala naman po na makakahinder po sa ating bed making. Wala naman po. Thank you so much po. So, I will now begin.
I'm just preparing the materials from bottom to the top para po sunod-sunod ko siyang ilagay. I will just carefully and gently roll all the used garments one by one.
Then I'll just gonna bring it now. This side, and I will turn it po. 1, 2, yeah. Next is I will just roll the rubber with the dividend. I will just adjust the pillow. Move your head po. After that, just remove my gloves. And hand hygiene again. And get on your gloves. So you can.
Now I will just putting the top sheet. And then the bottom sheet, and lastly the wrapper. Now I will just carefully removing the patient's used blanket or comforter and put it in the used garments bin. Now I will just carefully and gently remove the patient's used pillowcase and put it on the used garment bin. After that, I ask the patient to roll on the other side so I can remove all the used garments and put it all in the used garments bin. after that, I remove the dirty gloves and put it in the trash. And and now I will be putting in new gloves. Before that, I will just sanitize it so that I can touch the new and clean garments for the patient. Now that the patient and now and that the leave-in, the sheets are perfectly flattened. I will now change the patient pillowcase. And we need to ask permission first, sir. Can I just um get your pillow so that I can put the new pillowcase so so your head can rest safe and sound. Lastly, we're gonna going to um get this. Will not be uncomfortable. And lastly, for validation, the documentation. Sir, um, now that the uh, bell making is done, how are you feeling po? Are you good po? Yes, and um, uh, thank you for your cooperation and have a good day.